If you want to know how much YouTube pays for 30k views, then do well to watch this video till the end. But it's also something I'm going to be doing at the forefront, and it is something most people don't do until the very end. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. This video is from my other channel. I think I need to be specifying that oh, I'm using my other channel as example. Do you get? So this is my African folktale channel, and this video has 31k views. This is ranking 1/10 because this is the highest so far. The watch time is 3.7k, so this is close to monetization. The subscriber count 499, so almost 500 subscribers, and the revenue is $12.74. That's a surprise. I'm telling you the revenue before the very end. Yeah, you're welcome. And I'm going right to revenue because there's something I want us to discuss. Okay, how much did advertiser pay for this particular video? Advertiser paid, that's the CPM. So we have $3.63, that's the CPM, and the RPM is what I want to discuss, and that's $0.41. And you'll be wondering, like, it is very low, 0.41 out of $3, and you'll be like, why? But before we go into that, I want to say this video at a point was amounting to $56. The CPM at a point was amounting to $56, and that's like around December. At some point it was also amounting to, I'm sorry, I'm trying to look down, amounting to $33. At some point also $33. So it goes up and it comes down. The graph does not stay one place. It is very unstable. So now, why 0.41? There is a reason, and I know the reason. And the reason is this video was what made me get monetized, right? It brought my subscriber count, and it also made me get monetized, right? But the monetization was very close. I was almost hitting 4,000 watch hour before this video started going viral. All of my other small video combined already got me almost 3k watch hour. And then when this video started going viral, I was having 900 thereabout subscriber and less than 4,000 watch hour, and then I was very happy. But at the same time, it got to like let me say more than 10k views before I was able to now get monetized. Mind you, this is what the issue is. If you are a content creator on YouTube and you are not monetized yet, you still see ads playing on your video, and you'll be wondering, I'm not monetized, why are ads playing on my video? And that's because one way or the other, YouTube has to make money, so they use every video on their platform to run ads, right? And you are not monetized, so they are the only one getting the money from it. So you don't have to be monetized for your video for YouTube to run ads on your video. That's this thing. So how does it affect you when you get monetized? Because the video was already up and running, YouTube was already making money off of it before I got monetized. Once you get monetized, there is no how. Even if the video starts gaining traction, there is no how the RPM is going to start with $1. It is always 0 points, a ridiculous amount. Now it is 0.41. I'm very sure before it was way lower than that, because I can remember, yes, it was way lower than that, and I was very sad because I was wondering, I don't know, I'm already getting like 12k views at that point, 13k views. Why is this video like still 0 point something? Because the RPM is what they will times with your views, it's not your CPM, so you cannot even be bothered about your CPM. So I know I was very concerned then, and then it now made me realize that what's going on. I was really sad because I was already thinking, oh, I'll make good cash from this particular video that's going viral. So I could remember I went to my vlog channel and I went to the video that I uploaded that was going viral then before I got monetized, and I also noticed that video was already gaining momentum before I got monetized. YouTube was already making money off of it. So once I got monetized, the RPM was 0 point something dollars. Until now, that's like 4 years ago. Till now, the video is still having RPM of 0 point something. It is not, the way it is increasing, they'll be adding 0.01, 0.02. They don't have 0.1. You know, once one increases, it can turn to $1. 0.0 something. Till now, as at 2025, the video is still amounting to, the RPM is still 0 point something. So there's no how you want to times that with the whatever views you later add, like to give you a substantial amount. And that's because YouTube was already making money off of that video, and now it is like, I'm making money, and then you're coming to say you want to share out of the money. Okay, no problem, it is your video, I'll give you out of the money, but I'll not give you up to par. So that is to say that when you are not monetized and then one of your videos suddenly picks up, YouTube does not pay you a substantial amount. Once I got monetized from that viral video, I started uploading, you know, content, even if the views are not making sense, because they are actually not making sense. But when you put 0 point something cents together, it will give you $1, to give you $1, to give you $1. Before you know, you are building it brick by brick. Bottom line, the viral video might not make you money like that, because this 31k views should not be giving someone $12.74, even if your location is blah blah blah. And I feel that is like what you people will be interested in, instead of going into the reach, the whatever, because I know for a fact that you are here to listen to the revenue. So I noticed that, and I'm like, okay, I need to tell my people, because this is what the channel is about, uploading practical tips that can help you grow, that can help you understand what you are doing here on YouTube. So with that, let me check one last thing before we leave. That's the audience. Another thing that makes or mar your RPM is where your audience are watching from. So my top one is Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Kenya, then United States. But the main reason was because the video was already gaining momentum before I got monetized. That was why the RPM was 0 point something. With that being said, kindly hit the subscribe button to join the community, because this community is growing and I'm happy. I'm so happy. So join the community where we upload learning tips that would help you grow. And see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm thirsty. Drink La Croix. La Croix. A beautiful ad, right? See you guys in my next video.